From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big day here on crypto as coins are trying to figure out whether the bear market is going to overtake the bull market. We'll be going to the top cryptocurrency coins of 2021 for you to invest in and the coins to stay away from. As we go into the weekend, what's going to go with coins? Are they going to give us a big Saturday and then a slight downside on Sunday? Or will it be like last week, where the Saturday didn't deliver much of anything? Coins are looking at resistance levels, especially at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, let's look at the charts right now and as a broad stroke of what's going on in this video. In this video, we're looking at those resistance levels that Bitcoin and Ethereum broke through this week and started to go the other direction. Bitcoin down for the day, but above the resistance level of 47,000. I like that. Then Ethereum really improving a lot above the resistance level of 3,500 after it got as low as 3,200 this week. Then Solana pulling back, one of our bull coins not doing so well, and Phantom, one of our great bull coins, falling apart. Our bears, Doge down, Polygon going sideways, Aave and Compound and Synthetic. A lot of confusion across the board as Aave is not doing as what we thought, but SushiSwap, boy, that went from $9 to $14 in just a few days. Incredible. Decentraland trying to come back. It's a big day with a lot of coins. We're going to go over all these incredible coins in this recording. We'll go over what you need to know and the big positions you need to take and how you can get big money across the board. It's a big day with a lot of details. Thank you for joining me on this big day of crypto here on LALATE. So subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, a YouTube record. I want you part of this incredible family. Hit that subscribe button right now. Fastest growing cryptocurrency channel for a reason. I cover everything from beginners to advanced, and I show you how to make money. Like this video, 2,000-3,000 likes, and consider becoming a member. Let's cut to the details starting right now with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Phantom, and also Solana and Cardano are bull coins. Are they being bulls or are they being bears? Let's get to the details starting right now. It was a week in which I had warned viewers, and I'm going to warn you going into the weekend as well, about the concern that PCR could be back. People's Republic of China yesterday issuing stern warnings to the casino operators like Sands and Wynn, they're in Macau, saying that the social moral issues of those companies could run afoul to PCR. Well, PCR did this to the cryptocurrency industry once, twice, 3 times in 4 major crashes over the summer. It's been nearly 8 weeks or more since the last PCR-induced crash. Be careful. That PCR statement against crypto could be at any moment. But let's look at our resistance levels. What are resistance levels? Resistance levels show us where coins are trading in from. Are they trading from $1 to $2? We look at those resistance levels like this. They won't get above $2 or they won't get below $1. There's a resistance level holding the coin in a trading range. This week, we had fascinating moves with the bull coins. What happened? Bitcoin and Ethereum were way up. They started last week way up. Bitcoin was going from 47 to 50. And I said, well, our resistance level on the low end is 47,000 for Bitcoin. Watch it. If we go lower than that $47,000 resistance level, then we go to 44,000, then 42,000 on Bitcoin. Over on Ethereum, it's easier to remember the numbers. It's $100 increments, 3,500, 3,400, 3,300, 3,200. Well, by the week as it unraveled, Bitcoin started to devalue, went from 50, then under the 47,000 threshold, and then approached the $44,000 threshold, but didn't get there. Stayed right above it. Good. But then in the last 48 hours, it's come back. It's now staying above the $47,000 threshold. So now it's going 47 to 50, 47,000 to 50, which is great. It's not doing 44 to 47 anymore. Over on Ethereum, it got as low as 3,200 in the last 48 hours. Then it came back. Now it's doing 35. So it went above 3,300, it went above 3,400, and now it's trading 35 a little bit more. What does this mean for other coins? If you have another coin, you're looking to invest in another coin, the problem is the following, that when Bitcoin and Ethereum go up, They don't bring your coins up lately. When they go down, when Bitcoin and Ethereum go down, they do drag your coins down. So unfortunately, you need to hear and watch those resistance levels for Bitcoin and Ethereum, because if those two coins go down, they're going to drag your positions down as well. Let's jump right into the excitement with Bitcoin and Ethereum right off the bat and look and see what Bitcoin is doing, because this Bitcoin resistance level is critical. Here we go first with Bitcoin, 44,000. Right now, it's a red chart. Gemini, the platform we're looking at. My mouse is in the chart. We started the day at 48,000. We're down because we're slightly down on the day, but look how low we got today. We got to 47,300. I love that. It's above the $47,000 threshold. How high did we go? We got to 48. I love that too. So we're in the 47 to 50. Let's look at the 7-day. Here we go. So we got as low as 44,200. That's what I was talking about the last 48 hours. We stayed above that $44,000 threshold. We didn't go lower, thank goodness. And how high have we gone? Just to 48. Let's look out of the 1 month so you understand where we have gone in the last 1 month. We were at 50. Actually, we went to 51 for a blink. Then we went all the way down to what we just saw, that 44 plus, and then we came up. We started the month a little bit lower. We started the month around 44, but we're still up for the month. Let's look at the 3-month. You understand how this run has happened. This is the run all the way from 29,000 up to 50. So this is critical. You're going to see these resistance levels on this chart if we come back 1 month. Let's go to the monthly. Here's that resistance level 47. Here's at 47 again. 47, 47. Guess what? We're above that resistance level right here. We're at the end of the chart. We're above it. The next lower resistance level over here, 44. We're clearly above that now, 3,000. Big turnaround, great for Bitcoin. We are up. We are looking down this trading range of 50 to 44. Again, your resistance levels for Bitcoin are 44,000 on the low, are 47,000 on the low end, 50,000 on the high end. Let's watch it. Remember, if you're not an owner of Bitcoin, you need to watch these resistance levels, because this could determine where you're landing for your altcoin. Ethereum, time to turn to Ethereum. And what is Ethereum doing? Well, let's look at it. It has now come out of these resistance levels that we were worried about. These 3,200s, these 3,300s. Let's look and see what the 7 days gave us. We went as low as 3,200. That was trouble because we had started the week at nearly 3,600. So every $100 is resistance level. We fell under 35, then 3,400, then 3,300, then 3,200. Didn't get under it, got very close, 32, 12. And what have we done in the last 48 hours? A great move. We have come up nearly 3 resistance levels, 3,300, 3,400, 3,500, and now we're trying to stay above 3,600. We can't do it at the moment. We're a little bit, I don't know, we're a little bit below it. So this is great news. We're now in a higher trading range of about 3,400 to 3,600. I like it. Remember, unfortunately, as Ethereum goes up, it does not drag your altcoins up. But as Ethereum goes down, it does drag your altcoins down. Now, in a strange market where we have bulls and bears, are the other 2 bulls doing well? They're not. Phantom and Solana are not doing well. Phantom, Solana, and Cardano sporadically are my 3 other bull coins, and they're not doing particularly well. Now, I understand this is a Thursday going to Friday. It's a variable day. So long as they don't give up much, I don't care. And so long as they do a big run on Saturday, because Saturdays are a big run. But guess what? They haven't done well in the last 2-3 days either. So Solana continues to devalue. Phantom is continuing to slide. It can't keep on continuing like this, because guess what? Next thing I'm going to say to you is that they are bear coins. So we don't have a very good chart on Gemini because Solana is not carried on Gemini, but can you see that little pop there at the end? It's come down a little bit. Phantom is carried on Gemini. So here you go. 1-day chart. Trouble with a capital T. 150 all the way down to 130. 20-cent erosion. Let's look at a 7-day chart. Trouble down for the 7-day. Are we calling a coin down for 7 days a bear or a bull? Well, if it's up for the month, it's still a bull. But let's look how badly it's gotten. 190 to 130. That's an enormous drop. How low did it get? It got to 122, which is 50% of its valuation gone. Let's look at the 1 month. Okay, so there's trouble. When am I going to shout bear on Phantom? If it goes back under $1. It's really holding a nice resistance level here at about $1.23. It's coming up higher. Hard to say. Watch that resistance level. It is a very, very volatile coin at the moment, which for some people is good. There you go. Those are your bull coins. Remember, your bull coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as they go higher, they don't drag you up currently, your altcoins. As they go lower, they drag you lower. Now, time to look at our bear coins, and our bear coins have not been delivering across the board. Doge is among the exemplars. Doge has not been doing well, and those numbers absolutely manifest themselves today. Let's look at those Doge numbers right off the bat. When you jump into our altcoins, boy, whether it was the bulls or the bears. Here we go. Doge, 24 cents, down again. Can't keep on doing this, Doge. Down for the day, down for the 7-day, down for the month, and down for the 3-month. Yeah. So look how troubling this is. The last market crash was, before the last market crash, Doge was 31 cents. Let's see if I can grab it. It was right about here. The last market crash, it came down to 21. Then this is the crash over here, it was 21. Then it came up, and then it devalued all the way down to 19 cents. It's only 5 cents away from its lowest point of the last of this entire summer and fall. Then it tried to get back up, and it got to 31 for a blink of an eye. It did not sustain itself. So Doge is clearly in a trading range at the moment, and that trading range continues to erode. It had a resistance level 28 the last month. It has eroded that. It's now staying in the 24. I would be very concerned about Doge at this point. One big hit could take Doge into the teens. It's not giving you big days to offset its bad days. So here's Polygon. Polygon, really fascinating. This was a coin that was $1.50, $1.60 just about 2 weeks ago, and it eroded. But it's coming back today. So yeah, that 7-day chart, not good. It started at $1.44. It's $1.44 right now. It's a down 7-day chart. How about the 1-month chart? Down. In fact, Polygon went as high as $1.70 during that 1-month run. Actually, $1.80. It went as low as $1.20. Let's look at the 3-month chart. Yeah, so Polygon, very fascinating trading range. It's really trying to find its footing. You see these ebbs and tides. Now, what are you thinking? You're thinking what I'm thinking. Buy and trade. Trade, buy and sell, buy and sell. Do not buy and hold. Look at these mountains and these valleys. Very obvious. Buy, sell, buy, sell. What are you looking to buy? Maybe at $1.10, sell at $1.40. Buy at $1.20, sell at $1.50. Yeah, they're incremental profits, but every profit helps. Let's go in a little bit tighter. You can see it here. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Very, very obvious. Not huge runs. You're not gonna buy a mansion out of this, but you'll make 20-cent moves on a coin day in, day out. Lots of opportunity because it is relatively predictable in its volatility. Great opportunity to trade. Compound. Compound. Very fascinating. So this is a 1-day chart. Went as low as 430, went as high as 410, 450. Not a lot of movement there. So this is relatively flat, even though it's a square. Let's go out to 7-day. Up now for the 7-day, but not a lot of movement. 380 to 430. Not a lot of movement on a $400 coin. Let's look out at the 1 month. It's now down for the month. Let's look out 3 month. It's up for the 3 month, but not a lot. It is exemplaring those same trading ranges we saw on the last chart, but not as significant. So you see here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. But the profit is not as much because of $400 coin. Well, not everything is bad, and not everything is impacted by Bitcoin as it should be. And among the coins that is giving those big runs now and then to make you think, oh, is this a bull coin or not, is Aave. Aave has had these sort of sporadic moments where wants to come in and say, hey, make me bull. And then you look at it and you're like, no, you're not doing it. So look at Aave right now. This is the one-day chart on Aave. Very interesting. 380 up to 400. $20 move down again. So 7-day, how you doing, Aave on the 7-day? Ooh, I like that one. So Aave had that big fall a few days ago where I told viewers, grab it. I told you if it gets close to the edge of 200, like 290, grab it. It got to the lowest of 300, about 307. If you bought it then, you would still be fine. You'd still be up about $100 on a $300 coin, which is 30% appreciation on your value. Where are we right here? We're still 390. So you're still up about $90 on a $300 coin. That's great. Earlier today, you were up to 414. So Aave is an example of a coin when it's very obviously cheap, grab it. Grab it. Now, this run has been for, what, 2 days, 3 days? So this run, if you bought it at 303, get ready. It may fall badly on Friday. That's what we learn on these channels. These 3-day runs don't go on very long. You're looking at a 7-day chart. Let's jump into the next one, which is also another coin. I said grab it, and boy, if you did, you did really well. I said Sushi Swap had fallen from $13 to the edges of 9. Nearly 10 plus, 9 plus, 10 lows, like 10.0, 10.10. And I said, grab it, because it lost 30% of its value in just 24 hours. It has to come back at least $1. I mean, $1 is 10% return your money. So what happened? It's exactly what happened to the coin. Let's look at the chart. It fell all the way down to 10.30, and now it has run up $4 in just a few days. Oh, it got to, wait a second, did it get to 16 for a second? I did not see that. So I guess yesterday I got for $16. That is huge, folks. Imagine buying a coin at $10 this week and it went to $16. That's 60% return your money in just a few days. Now, yes, it is down at the moment, but look at how this was so predictable. How predictable was this? I specifically said I didn't think it was going to go to this spot, 15.50. I said it'd probably go to this spot, 14. When it fell all the way down to 10, I said, this is a buy. All you wanted is it to run up $2, $3, and you're fine. You're up 20%. Well, it didn't run up $2. It ran up $4, and now it's going up to $6. This was the most obvious buy you could buy. Look at the 1 month chart. It went down, it went up. It went down, up, it went down. I said, hey, it has to go up $1 or $2. If it's 3, even better. Well, guess what? It's 6. Incredible. That is how you price the coins, by grabbing the coin at the right price point. And then ultimately, if you go in at the right spot, then you make that money. Let's go over where the market is going into the weekend. Boy, it's going to be an exciting weekend. Because guess what? These coins got to give something. Yeah, you did see Sushi Swap, you did see Aave are having a beautiful week. Sushi Swap and Aave are not the rest of the market. The rest of the market hasn't been doing this. The rest of the market has just been going a little bit sideways. So let's jump into the split screen right now and get a sense of what coins are doing well in this market and why the market still is mostly bearish and needs to get that big pop on a Saturday to turn more bullish. We're in the split screen right now, and let's jump on to coinmarketcap.com, which is on our left. Very interesting coins moving right today. So Bitcoin is down for the day. Ethereum is up 3%. Cardano is down 4% for the day, which is down 6% for the week. And Solana is down 3% for today, down 20% for the week. Solana, Cardano, and Phantom, one more day like this, they're going to be bear acclaimed coins. They'll have to be declared bear because they have now delivered an atrocious week, and you can't keep on doing that over and over again. Doge, of course, is down 2% for the day, down 7% for the 7-day. What's the best performing coin today? Avalanche up 30%, Audio up 20%, Ren up 16%, and there's Sushi Swap. Sushi Swap, one of the few coins in the top 4 that is on the major platforms to buy, the U.S. platforms to buy, up 15%, now up 30% for the last 7 days. Synthetic, which I didn't pull up the graphic for, up 10% for the day, up 28% for the 7-day. What are the lowest performing coins of the day that gives us an indication what we may be able to buy next? Well, there's what you would thought. Phantom, down 7%, down 25% for the 7-day. Tezos down, Hedera down. Hedera, watch Hedera. I know it's not on the U.S. platforms, but it's up 48% for the 7 days, and it's giving up 7%. It's down 7% today. So if it gets cheaper, that is a coin that may give you a beautiful pop on Saturday because it's up 48% on the week. It's likely to be up on Saturday. It's giving up a lot. It's down 7% at the moment. Fascinating. Nothing else in this top 20 coins makes of interest to me. Let's look at the best performing coins the last 7 days. Avalanche, Curvedeo, Hedera, Ren, Terra, and SushiSwap. Of those, SushiSwap, and then they're synthetic. SushiSwap and synthetic up about 30%, and those are coins on the US platforms. What a day it has been. What a weekend it's going to be. You're going to want to watch Bitcoin and Ethereum first for those resistance levels, because those resistance levels will determine where your altcoins are going. Let's recap and understand what to watch to determine where for you to buy. For Bitcoin, you want to watch that resistance level of 44 to 47. You want to make sure it stays, 47 to 50. 47,000 to 50. You want to make sure Bitcoin stays above 47. If it gets under 47, then watch the 44,000 threshold. Remember, a fall from 47,000 to 44 threshold will bring your altcoins down. Over on Ethereum, same thing. You want to stay above those resistance levels as far as you can ride them. So 35, 34. Every time Ethereum drops $100, it's breaking through a resistance level. That will bring your bear coins down. Bear coins like Doge and similar continue to erode as the major players go down. But as we go into a weekend, what do you need to know? Saturday's the big day. Saturday's the big day to give that big run every week. Saturday mornings from about sunrise on the West Coast to noontime are the biggest runs of the weekend. And Mondays are big as well. You need to see that big Saturday run because so far this week has not been much. We've had sporadic, a little bit here, a little bit there, but the day is certainly not over. and Friday is usually a down day. What a day it has been. Join me 2 times a day on this channel. Mornings Crypto live on air at about 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And then overnights Crypto every day starting at 3:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So many details across the board. Jump in the live chat at any time. I'll try to answer your questions on a particular coin. Remember, I would not buy and hold any of the altcoins. I would only trade them. Watch yesterday's overnights Crypto show to understand how crypto trading is done. You want to get in that position and out of that position in a day and a half, or in that position, out of that position in 3 days. Understand as you go into the weekend, your opportunities start on lows of Friday. So look for those lows of Friday to buy low and sell Saturday. Buy Sunday on the lows and sell on Monday on the highs. I'll be detailing that more later. But first, subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, fastest growing cryptocurrency channel there is. I want you part of this incredible family. Hit that subscribe button right now. Like the video, 2,000 to 3,000 likes, and consider becoming a member. Have a beautiful day. Stay informed, stay focused.